When ChatGPT and Perplexity are scanning your website and saying, should I recommend your business? They care about this stuff too, okay? They are literally saying, how credible is this company? Do they have team photos? Do they have an active social media account? Are they answering these questions that everyone's asking? Do they have a pricing page? Like the AI bots actually care about this stuff. Now, one quick word of warning for this. How many of you have actually gone into ChatGPT and typed in your own company and said, what do you think about my company? Raise your hand if you've done that. Yeah? Now, do you think it's giving you an accurate depiction? Yes or no? Accurate? Maybe, maybe not, right? AI loves to tell you what you want to hear. So if you've been doing things and creating content for yourself, and then you go back in to say, hey, how's MIS Solutions, right? How is it? It's going to say, oh, it's fantastic. Oh, it's amazing, because it knows the context. But when your prospects are doing that same search, they're getting a different result, okay? So this is where it's so important that you understand the distinction of what does AI care about, not when I do my own little test. When you go into an incognito window, it'll say something different, okay? So that's where I'm saying you have to have these trust factors on your website in order for AI to like what you are presenting. Now, speaking of that, there is an author and everything, and we'll talk about this later, that I do like, but someone who's very good at explaining this human connection stuff, has books on it and stuff, actually created a SaaS company that actually helps you assess how much AI will like your website, your content, your online presence. And it's called AI Trust Signals. I'm sure it's like a paid subscription, but even just using like a free version of it will give you a good start. Take a look at it and see what it thinks of your online presence. And it's basically saying, what does AI think of what I have online, okay? So that's one of the best ways, because I could talk for hours about how to make a good website. I don't think it's gonna be worth it to you. Understand the concept though.